The Teamwork Project's clock in, clock out feature allows you and your team to keep track of time without having to manually log the time on each individual task. Enabling the clock in, clock out feature is really easy. All we need to do is select our profile picture up here and then select the settings option. And then in the settings window, make sure that you're in the integrations tab. Now we just need to go down here and find our clock in, clock out, and then just toggle this on. And there we go. Now we should be able to clock in and clock out as we need to. Now using the clock in and clock out feature is really easy. All we need to do is again, go up here and select our drop down. And now you can see the option to clock in. And we know that we're clocked in because we can see our clock moving here. And again, if we want to clock out, it's the same thing, just select clock out here. And that's it. That's how easy it is to use the clock in, clock out feature in Teamwork Projects. If you have any further questions, feel free to contact us, support@teamwork.com.